Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the knives playlist. Here is the buck number 389, the Canoe style. Now, Buck brand has been around for about 100 years now. Over 100 years. And this Canoe style has been around many years. I'm going to guess, just off the wall guess, 50, 60 years for this style. Now they call it a canoe style because the shape of the knife is like a canoe. See how it comes up on each end? Okay, this is the package right here. I did purchase this at Walmart. And this comes in the select category. Now what the select is, there's 3 different categories on the back. We have the Pro, Avid, and Select. Now this model right here has the WM on the back, which I am told stands for Walmart exclusive, but I'm not quite sure about that, 100% sure, so don't quote me on that. Now I do know that Buck makes these not just for Walmart exclusives, but they have a different scale in here. Okay, let's go over some of the specs on here. The blade, spear and pin, 420-2 stainless steel. Length, there we go. Sorry about shaking a little bit. And there's the length, there's the weight. The weight's 2.7 ounces. Handle, jigged bone, nicked with what's that word? Anyway, I don't have my glasses on right now. Anyway, pretty nice knife. Let's go ahead and open this thing up, and we're going to open it with the Buck right here. I can't remember if this is the 369 or the 389. This is the 736. There you go. Really nice knife. This is one of my EDCs I carry all the time. Fits perfect in my pocket. Let's go ahead and slice this thing open right here. There we go. Let's go on this side. Slice it open. What do we have in here? There we go. Just dump that out. Now this one is made in China. Right there on the bottom. Made in China, not made at the Idaho plant. Really skinny knife. Not thick at all. Not thick at all. Nice pins right here. Nice texturing. Got the Buck name right here on the badge. Let's see where it snaps. There we go. There we go. Let's go this way with it, see where that snaps that way. So get to about right. There we go. Let's pull this one out. Check the same thing on this knife. Where does it snap going this way? There we go. You hear that nice snap right there. And going this way, where's it going to snap going this way? There we go. Okay, how's it line up? Both blades are lined up and put center into their correct spaces. Backside is completely smooth all the way across. Nice manufacturing on this thing. Great little knife. I'm impressed with this. Now granted, this does not have locks on it. Does not have locks on either blade. But this is a great knife, great little knife. And you can see the canoe shape like I was talking about earlier. Coming in right here. Got the 3 pins. Okay, here is the stamp made in China. It's on this side. Let's go to this blade. Buck. There we go. Turn it over. It is a hollow ground on this blade and a hollow ground on this blade. So, really nice. Let's check, see how sharp this thing is. Straight out of the package. There we go. So the blade is really tight all the way down. Nice sharpening all the way down the blade. Let me close this one. Open up this one. Let's check this one out. I'm expecting about the same on the sharpening. Oops. Not getting a grip on the paper very well. There we go. Let's see how sharp that is. Oops, tore it that time. Anyway, check it out. Walmart, under $20. Nice knife. Nice EDC if you like this style. My name is Carl. I do appreciate being with us today.